Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox not sending two-step verification code. If Roblox is not sending your two-step verification code, the issue is often related to email filtering, account synchronization, or lost access to your primary device. So what you want to do is go ahead and open your Gmail. What does Google like to do is send your email to spam. So you might want to go ahead and check your spam emails, and also you might want to go ahead and check on your snoozed options. You might have mistakenly snoozed a Roblox official email. That is why that could also be the reason that you might not be getting emails. So you might want to go ahead and check all that. And once you've done so, the alternate verification method would be to go ahead and search for your backup codes. So if you have any backup codes, you might have saved it somewhere in your folder, in your notes. You might want to go ahead and check it out and copy one of the notes and just paste it before you log in. Or what you can do is go ahead and long press on your Roblox icon and tap on this app info option. From there, go ahead and tap on this storage and cache option and remove, and you can clear the cache and also the storage. You might want to go ahead and clear the cache first because this usually removes all the corrupted files from your application. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.